Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariel and today I recorded a look that was requested. I recently went out with my friends and went to a party, and this is the makeup look that I created. I also have on the dress that I wore. I got this dress from boohoo.com. It is a pretty sequined mini dress. It's so gorgeous, and I wore some black heels to match. I will leave where I got the heels from, what brand they are, down below. Yes, and these earrings I have on, I wore them as well to the party. I got them from my local beauty supply store. So yes, if you would like to see how I created this bomb look I wore when I went out with my friends, just keep on watching. Okay, so first we're going to start off with saddle and place this in the crease. I'm using a Morphe brush to add this color. Next, we're going to take brown script and place that right underneath the saddle color. And underneath brown script, we're going to take I'm Into It with this is a Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow brush that I'm using, just to define my crease a little bit more. Then I'm taking Shadowy Lady. The clip got deleted, but I took Shadowy Lady and placed in my outer V. I took the LA Girl Pro Concealer and Cool Tan and cut my crease after I placed the Shadowy Lady. And that's a Clinique brush that I'm using. I love this brush. For my lid color, I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill times Morphe palette, and I'm using the palette in Dark Magic and the Shadow Power Cut to place all over my mobile eyelid. And I just went in with a Lancome brush. I switched brushes to give me more of a packed colored look. And I'm going in with Diversion next, and I'm placing it, I'm overlapping Diversion and Power Cut to give it more of a defined look on my eyelid. And just going back in with the Shadowy Lady and placing it on my outer V. And I'm just blending. Blending is a major key, especially when using a darker shadow. You want to just continue to blend until you get your desired look. So I did this a few times just to make sure that I'm all blended out. I'm taking a Lancome angled brush to just define my crease even more with the Shadowy Lady. And I'm lining my eyes with the MAC eyeliner, the holiday collection one, and it has glitter in it. I have the name down below. And for lashes, I'm using Silk Lashes. They are the M32B, my absolute favorite. I love them. And I'm taking Rice Paper by MAC as my brow bone highlights. I'm using 2 MAC primers to help with my pores and my oiliness. One is going in my T-zone. This is Skin Revive Zone. And then the other one, the pore stick, is going all everywhere else on my skin. I love these two together because I'm so extra. For foundation, I'm going to go with my Studio Fix Fluid in NC55. And y'all see me use this before. I absolutely love this foundation. And honey, I have no idea what I'm watching, but I'm so serious. Y'all see me? So serious. And I'm using the Cool Tan Concealer by LA Girl Pro, and I'm blending that concealer out. And I'm going with my Laura Mercier's translucent powder to set everywhere that I place the concealer. And I'm going to cream contour. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit in Deep. And I'm adding the contour with a BH Cosmetics, the cream contour with the BH Cosmetics flat brush. So in the wintertime, I love to cream contour. Now in the summertime, honey, you're not going to catch me do this. But in the wintertime, yes. So I use the cream, and I'm going to go in and set it with the powder. I'm just sweeping away the extra Laura Mercier setting powder. And then I'm going in to set my face with this is the NC47 Studio Fix powder. Contouring with my Ebony Cream bronzer. And then for eyeliner, I'm going in with MAC Defindly black eyeliner. And then to add the blue underneath my lash line, first I took MAC's Electric Eel and lined my under eye. I really like this shadow. And what inspired me to use this color was actually my dress. The sequins on my dress are blue, purple, and green. So I definitely wanted to incorporate those colors in my dress. In my makeup, excuse me. Then I'm going in with Surf Pop by Clinique and just brushing that on top of the color. Then on top of the Clinique color, I went in with Inside Job from the Dark Magic Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, just to give it more of a green look. Now I ended up getting some shadow on my actual concealer underneath my highlights, so I just went in with more concealer and setting powder just to fix that, because it was spreading everywhere. It looked dark underneath my eyes. You probably can't tell on camera, but I could tell when I looked in the mirror, and it was not cute, honey. Not cute. Okay. Then for blush, I didn't want to go into too strong with blush, so I went in with Razin. Very, very pretty. Y'all seen me use this before. I love Razin. And then I'm using this new Smashbox spray. Well, it's not new. It's new to me, and I really, really like it. I love it. It sets my makeup perfectly. And then I'm going in with the Clinique mascara, the High Impact and Black mascara, to put on my lashes at the bottom and on the top. And for highlight, I'm taking MAC Silver Dusk, and I'm using it to set brush to add the highlighter on. And for lips, I'm going in with Chestnut Lip Liner by MAC. For a lipstick, the first one I use Stone by MAC. And then on top of that, just in the center, I went in with Peach Stock in the center. I know I'm so extra. And then on top of that, I went in with the AAliyahb lip gloss. And I just placed it right in the middle. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed.